Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mond and today we will learn and solve exercise 10E, questions 1 to 10 of chapter 10. Chapter name is Basic Geometrical Ideas of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. Let's get started and solve some questions. Now question number 5, answer true or false. The radius is the longest chord of the circle. This is false. Diameter, we know diameter is the longest chord of the circle. So it is false. Second bit, diameter is equal to half of radius. This is also false because diameter is twice of the radius, 2 times of radius. So this is also false. Now question number third bit. Concentric circles have the same center. This is true. Concentric circles have the same center. This is concentric circle. This is same center. This is A, this is B, and this point is C. So OA is the center. OA is the radius of the inner circle, this one, and OB is the radius. OA is the radius of the inner circle, and OB is also inner circle, this one, and OC is the outermost circle, radius of the outermost. So this is true. Concentric circles have the same center. O is the same. O is the center. Has the same center. Now fourth bit. Line joining two distinct points on a circle is called a secant. This is false. Line joining any two distinct points on a circle is called chord. So this is false. This is false. Now fifth bit. There are infinitely many diameters of a circle. Infinitely many diameters. This is true. There are infinitely many diameters. Yes. Now we will solve question number 6. Multiple choice questions. The complete distance around a circle is called the options are secant, quadrant, circumference, and segment. This is the complete. This one is the complete distance. This one. Complete distance around a circle is called the circumference. So option C is the correct option. Option C. This is the circumference of the circle. Now question number 7. Multiple choice questions. 1/4 part of a circle is known as a options are semicircle, major segment, sector, and quadrant. 1/4 part of a circle is known as quadrant. So option D is the correct option. Now question number 8. Multiple choice question. The longest chord of a circle is equal to its radius, diameter, circumference, and secant. The longest chord. This is the longest chord joining any two points of a circle. Suppose A and B are any points on the circle, and joining any two points on a circle is the chord, that is chord, and diameter is the longest chord of a circle. So longest chord of a circle is diameter. So option B is correct. Option B. Now question number 9. Multiple choice questions. An arc is a continuous part of the dash of the circle. Options are diameter, major segment, circumference, and chord. An arc is the continuous part of the circumference. This is the arc. This one. A, B, AC, B the arc. So arc is continuous part of the circumference of the circle. So option C. Option C is the correct option. So circumference is the answer. Now question number 10, a multiple choice question. The center of the circle always lies in the interior of the dash. Options are minor segment, semicircle, major segment and minor arc. Center of the circle, this is center of the circle. Oh, center of the circle always away lies in the interior of the major segment. This is segment, this is minor segment and this is major segment. So center of the circle always lies in the interior of the major segment. Minor segment, it is exterior of the minor segment, and semicircle also it is lies in the lies on the circle, and minor arc it is also exterior of the minor arc. So option C, major segment, is the correct option. Option C, that is major segment, is the answer. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this with your friends. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this with your friends. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply.